Can weight training protect your brain from dementia? Emerging research suggests that weight training may play a role in protecting the brain from dementia and cognitive decline. 1. Here's a summary of findings from recent studies. Improved memory and brain structure. A study published in Neuroscience in April 2025 found that older adults with mild cognitive impairment who participated in weight training twice a week for 6 months showed improvements in verbal episodic memory and protection against atrophy in brain regions associated with Alzheimer's disease, hippocampus and precuneus. The control group, who did not exercise, showed a decline in these parameters. Reversing mild cognitive impairment. In the same study, some participants in the weight training group no longer met the criteria for mild cognitive impairment by the end of the study, suggesting that weight training might alter the clinical trajectory of individuals at increased risk of dementia. Increased neurotrophic factors and reduced inflammation. Researchers believe weight training may protect the brain by stimulating the production of neural growth factors, like BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, that support neuron growth and survival. It can also help reduce overall inflammation in the body, which is linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Improved brain health markers. Weight training has been shown to improve the integrity of white matter in the brain, which is crucial for communication between different brain regions. It also improves cardiovascular health and cerebral blood flow, both vital for maintaining brain function. Comparison to aerobic exercise. While previous research has extensively highlighted the benefits of aerobic exercise for brain health, this new study specifically points to the positive impact of resistance training. Some experts suggest that resistance exercise should become a standard part of dementia risk reduction strategies. Long-term potential. Researchers speculate that longer-term weight training interventions, e.g., over several years, could potentially have even more significant benefits in delaying or even reversing cognitive decline. It's important to note, this is an area of ongoing research, and more studies are needed to fully understand the mechanisms and long-term effects of weight training on dementia risk. While promising, weight training is likely one component of a multifaceted approach to dementia prevention, which should also include a healthy diet, regular aerobic exercise, cognitive stimulation, social engagement, and management of other health conditions. In conclusion, the latest evidence indicates that incorporating weight training into a healthy lifestyle could be a valuable strategy for promoting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of dementia, even for individuals already experiencing mild cognitive impairment.